Hello, dear kids. Kids spoken English. Look at this. Enjoy. Thank you. Everything is artificial. It's a park. I don't like parks actually. I like natural parks. I'm not fond of this kind of artificial parks. By the way, as it's a visiting place in Noshingdi, I must visit. Have you visited this park, Golden Star Park, which is located on the bank of Meghna River, just right after what? Nagorkanda village. Nagorakanda village. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum, Noshingdi. How are you doing today? I hope you all are bright and shiny. Alhamdulillah, I'm also cool and dandy. Today I have come here in your area. This is a visiting place. It's not natural, though I love visiting natural places. It's an artificial place, right? Yes, this is Golden Star Park as far as I'm concerned. Farhan has told me and I have seen, what can I say, signboard. Like, I don't know about this park properly. When was it inaugurated, or when you are able to come, what day you should come, I don't know actually, but I can see the place. Yeah, this place is artificial definitely. Huh? It's not a natural tree, natural leaves, natural. Please come inside. I'm gonna show you something very special. Oh, look at the place. Thank you. I'd like to thank Farhan for having me here. Thank you so much, Bhaiya, for letting me know that there is a park. And we had to come here from the railway station. The rickshaw fare was 50 taka. And I needed to pay 50 taka ticket to come here inside the park. You can take a lot of pictures after coming here, as it's night time, evening time. That's why I can't show you this park properly. Many rides. This park is dedicated to, I think, for the kids, for the children, right?
Yes.
Okay. Rocket ride, A ride, Shay ride, 50 taka, 20 taka, 30 taka, train ride, rocket ride, rides and rides everywhere. Oh, there is a lake. Farhan.
Yes.
Though it's a matter of sorrow, there's no lighting. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Okay. Golden Star Park. I'm going to show you the thing. Yeah, it's a lake. I should have come here in the afternoon. Then I would be able to show you this park properly. But I think you can watch the signboard of Golden City Park. Look at the beauty. So thank you very much for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Please visit this place. And if you have anything to know, please jot down, scribble down in the comment section.